In this video, I'm going to show you how to add outline to text in Photopea. If you have not created the text yet, select the text tool from the left-hand side of your screen. Click anywhere on the canvas and type your text. Once the text is added, switch to the Move tool and position the text wherever you want it to appear on your design. After placing the text, go to the Layers panel on the right-hand side and make sure your text layer is selected. Right-click on it and choose Blending Options from the menu. This will open a new window containing several styling options for your text. Locate and click on the Stroke option. As soon as you enable Stroke, an outline will appear around your text. First, adjust the size slider to control how thick or thin the outline should be. Increasing the size makes the outline more visible, while decreasing it creates a subtle effect. Next, choose the position of the outline. You can place it inside the text, outside the text, or centered along the text edges. You can also adjust the opacity to make the outline lighter or stronger, depending on how prominent you want it to appear. If you want the outline to have multiple colors, you can apply a gradient instead of a single color. Simply select the gradient option and click on the gradient preview box. By default, it contains black and white, but you can change these colors to anything you like. You can also control how much of each color appears in the outline by adjusting their positions. If you prefer a solid outline, select the color option and choose a single custom color instead. Once everything looks the way you want, click OK to apply the changes, and this is how you can add outline to text in Photopea.